What is the best way to link ideas for a stronger memory? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless streets and intersections. To remember things better, you need to connect those streets smoothly. The best way to do this is through association. This means linking new ideas to images or ideas you already know well. When you create these mental connections, your brain organizes information into related folders, making it easier to find later. Think of it like attaching a new file to an existing folder on your computer. Start by choosing a clear, central image that represents the main idea you want to remember. For example, if you're learning about the water cycle, picture a big, bright cloud. Then, attach related ideas to this cloud using simple symbols or objects. If you want to remember evaporation, imagine the cloud releasing tiny steam particles. For condensation, picture the cloud growing bigger and darker. These visual links act like bridges that connect different pieces of information. Using mental images or visual themes makes abstract ideas more concrete. For instance, if you're trying to memorize a list of vocabulary words, create a picture for each word. The Spanish word dormir, which means to sleep, could be linked to a cozy bedroom or a sleeping cat. The more vivid and unusual the image, the better it sticks in your mind. Another helpful trick is to practice recalling these linked ideas repeatedly over time. This is called spaced retrieval. When you actively recall information, your neural pathways get stronger, making the memory more durable. For example, quiz yourself on the water cycle images after a few hours, then again the next day. You can also draw concept maps or diagrams that visually connect ideas. These maps show how different concepts relate to each other at a glance. Flashcards with pictures or keywords are great too. When you see the card, it triggers multiple associations, making recall easier. Teaching someone else what you've learned is another way to reinforce these links. Explaining ideas aloud forces your brain to organize and connect information clearly. Finally, engaging actively with the material through discussion or hands-on activities helps solidify these associations. Passive reading is less effective than actively working with the information. So, remember, linking ideas through vivid images and associations, combined with regular practice, creates a strong network in your brain that makes remembering easier and studying more effective.